And then one thing that he did, South India was facing famine. South India was facing, so he has made famine relief fund. So चलो कुछ हरामी ने कुछ काम किया लेकिन फायदा नहीं है, इसी की वजह से तो आ रहा है सारा. Famine relief fund due to which one? Where is the famine? Where it is? What is the meaning of famine? तेज बोलना. Large scale of what? Starvation. Understood? Means I said that food security causes what? Problem of starvation. Means people started dying in a smaller area, it is a starvation. If it is affecting very large area, then it is known as what? Famine. And it can be flood, it can be drought, it can be any kind of situation. Any kind of climatic condition can cause this kind of so Lord Lytton. It has been done during the period of Lord, yes. तो ये याद रखेंगे बीच का पीरियड. इससे पहले हमने वी हैव डन 4 गवर्नर जनरल. विच आर द 4 गवर्नर जनरल वी हैव डन? एल्गिन, जॉन लॉरेंस, मायो, नॉर्थब्रुक और 76 to 80 पीरियड. 76 to 80 पीरियड मस्ट रिमेंबर आरामी. बाद में आप लालटेन कर लेना जो भी है लिटन. अंडरस्टूड? अब नेक्स्ट वन इट इज स्टार्टिंग वर्क फ्रॉम द 80s. 1880. So 1880 to 1884 I said Ripon, Lord Ripon, and it is 1880 to 1884. He was a great reformer. जैसे ही entered हुआ, started doing reform. He entered and started doing reform. He said that introduction of local self government, introduction of local self government means local bodies, introduction of what? Local bodies. What he did in the 18, you know that Pabna movement, different kind of tribal movements are happening in the Bengal region, Indigo revolt and all. Because of this, what happened? I said that against the Jamindar, most of the people are what is in a fighting, and there is a great level of, I said that movement kind of situation has been created within the farmers and peasants of Bengal and nearby region. So under the pressure, because otherwise they can uproot it out, our British East India Company को हटा सकते थे. Already they know that in 1857 something has been happened. So suddenly against the Jamindar, in favor of farmer, Bengal Tenancy Act Bill introduce किया गया. Bengal Tenancy Bill जो इस समय पास नहीं हुआ, it has been passed during the next Governor General Dufferin. So Bengal Tenancy Bill, और इसका फायदा क्या था कि land law जितने भी, I said that farmers will become proprietor. Farmers will become proprietor. What is the meaning of tenant? Yes, tell me. What is the meaning of tenant? आप लोग भी यदि दिल्ली में रह रहे हो तो क्या क्या रह रहे हो? Tenant हो ना? You are living on the basis of some kind of money दे रहे हो, उसके basis पे रह रहे हो for particular tenure. I said that there is a Bengal Tenancy Bill introduced, and in 1885 during the Dufferin period it became Bengal Tenancy Act. It become Bengal Tenancy Act. और ये किसके अगेंस्ट आया था? जो I said that tribal movement, peasant movement in Bengal, and they are very powerful tribal movement and peasant movement was happening, and therefore under the pressure they have to what? Give this. Under this Bengal Tenancy Act, proprietorship to the land farmers, ये तो दे दिया गया, लैंड फार्मर्स को बोला गया कि यू विल बी द प्रोप्राइटर, लेकिन साथ में बोला कि आई एम द ऑनर. प्रोप्राइटर फिर क्या होगा? और ही डिड नॉट मेक एनीथिंग क्लियर अबाउट टेनेंसी. टेनेंसी पीरियड क्या होगा उसके बारे में कोई भी चीज उन्होंने क्लियर नहीं किया. ही वॉज सेड दैट इन दिस बंगाल टेनेंसी एक्ट प्रोप्राइटरशिप, बट टेनेंसी, और आज भी हमारे यहाँ टेनेंसी का प्रॉब्लम आज भी है स्टिल. अंडरस्टूड? वन इट इज इन लैंड रिफॉर्म कहा जाता है. सो वन ऑफ देम इज आई सेड दैट टेनेंसी इज स्टिल प्रॉब्लम इन आवर एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर. आप कभी भी किसी फार्मर को उठा के काम करवा रहे हो, निकाल दे रहे हो, तो ही विल नेवर बी गेटिंग इंसेंटिव कि मेरे को कल निकाल देंगे, 4 साल के बाद निकाल देंगे, तो वाई शुड आई पुट बेटर थिंग इनटू द सॉइल? So he will not be making the soil to be more productive and more, and the soil the quality will keep on losing. So he will not be getting any incentive. Ripon, he has done something in the introduction of local self-government. Thereafter I said that he introduced, I said, Ilbert Bill. Ilbert Bill was introduced, or because of this Ilbert Bill, what happened? A great movement. In this one, what is the meaning of Ilbert Bill? Yes, what is the meaning of Ilbert Bill? I must have said the first day. Yes.